Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Safira. You can call me Vira. I'm from PBIC. Okay, strike two. The title is Teaching Narrative Reading by Using the Subtext Strategies for Islamic Senior High School Students by Muhammad Hollandia, Novalingga Pitaloka, and Wahyudi Yanto. And in this study, the problem where the students had large of motivation in reading English text. The students had for vocabulary, so they were not able to just the meaning easily. The students could not predict the content of the narrative text. The students got difficulty to identify the character of the narrative text, and some of the students took too much time in comprehending in the text. The objective of this study were to find out whether or not there was a significant improvement before and after the treatment on the 11th grade students' reading comprehension score at one Islamic Senior High School in Palembang by using subtext strategies and to find out whether or not there was a significant difference on the 11 grade students' reading comprehension score between the students who were taught by using subtext strategies and those who were not. The population of this research was 11 grade students of MI Patra Mandiri Palembang, one of Islamic Senior High School in Palembang. In this study, quasi-experimental design using free test and post-test non-equivalent groups design was used. There were 60 students taken as sample. Each class consisted of 30 students from class 11 IPS 2 as control groups and class 11 IPS 3 as experimental groups. In collecting the data reading comprehension, that test was used. The test was given twice to both experimental and control groups as a free test on post-test. There are two methods of this study. First, research design, research site, and participant. This study used a quasi-experimental design, free test, post-test, non-equivalent group design. There were two groups, experimental and control group, which was give the same free test and post test. The second that collection and analysis. In this study, we use reading comprehension test in the form of multiple choice to collect the date. The analysis technical used was qualitative. In this study, we use reading comprehension test in the form of multiple choice to collect the date. The test item in the free test were the same as choose of first test because the purpose of giving them was to know the progress of students' reading comprehension score before and after treatments. Free test free test was given before the treatment. The data analysis technical use was qualitative in analyzing the data obtained from quasi-experimental design were calculated by means of SPSS 20 software or statistical value of the social science in order to see whether there was a significant improvement before and after they were treated by using subtest strategies. T-test was used as inferential statistical analysis. The findings suggest that the strategies can be an effective method from improving reading comprehension skill in education setting. There are some conclusions that can be drawn from this research referred to the finding and interpretation presented in the previous chapter. First, based on the result of free test to post test, subtest strategies significantly improve students' reading comprehension score to the 11th grade students of one Islamic senior high school in Palembang. And second, there was significant difference on students' reading comprehension score to the 11th grade students who were taught by using subtext strategies and those who were taught by strategies that was usually used by the teacher of one Islamic senior high school in Palembang. Maybe that's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.